Crocodile and Songbird. Alligators and songbirds are best friends. They are busy talking today. A songbird sits on the crocodile's nose. But after a while, the crocodile became sleepy. I yawned and opened my mouth wide. And the songbird that was perched on the crocodile's nose slid into the crocodile's mouth. Unfortunately, the crocodile did not know. He is confused when he finds a songbird coming out of his nose. "Strange, where's the songbird?" Crocodile murmured. "He must be joking with me." The crocodile turned his tail, but the bird was not there. The crocodile searched for songbirds in the bushes. He stuck his nose into the bushes by the river, but the songbird had not yet been found. "Where is he?" The crocodile finally closed his eyes and fell asleep. But suddenly a melodious hum came out of it. Her eyes widened and she said, for the first time in her life she can sing. Invite her best friend and her bird to sing along. It will be a lot of fun. Crocodile was enamored with hearing the hum coming out of him. After a while, he felt tired. Then he opened his mouth and gave a big yawn. As he tried to close his eyes, he saw a creature sitting on his nose. The creature looked very angry. "He is a songbird. You are bad," said the bird. "Why didn't you say you wanted to open your mouth? I fell in your mouth." The crocodile frowned. "So, are the topics that come out of me yours, not mine?" "Yes," replied the songbird. Her tail waggled. "I know you can't sing at all. You are so upset." Crocodile became very sad when he heard those words. Her tears flowed. "I thought hum was my voice," he said sadly. "Look, I wish I could sing. I thought I could sing. Too bad I have a bad voice." "Sorry, singer bird." He quickly found a way to comfort his friend. "Hey, can you blow soap bubbles? Let's hum. Let's do it together." Crocodile agreed. Then he stuck his nose into the water and blew bubbles. Songbird song. Her singing voice perfectly matches the sound of Crocodile's water bubbles. Crocodiles are very happy. They have been doing it every day since. The crocodile always says before opening its mouth so that the songbird does not return to it,